India's trade deficit just dropped by a whopping 30%. We'll be talking about what caused this. Is it good news or a warning sign? This isn't just a number. Based on an economic report, this shift could boost the rupee, cool inflation, and even lower your fuel and grocery bills. But what's really behind this drop? Is it strong exports, cheap imports, or something else? And is it sustainable? So what caused the 30% drop in the trade deficit? First, lower imports. Crude oil imports fell sharply due to lower global oil prices and stockpiling by India earlier. There was also a fall in gold and electronics imports amid slow domestic demand. Second, higher exports. Service exports like Infos and FinTech rose, especially from major players like Infosys and TCS. Engineering goods and pharma exports showed strength despite global concern. Why is this drop good for India's growth? Less outflow of foreign exchange, strengthens forex reserves, lower deficit means lower borrowing, so the government has more space to spend on infrastructure and development. It boosts macroeconomic stability, encouraging foreign investment and long-term confidence. Will this trade deficit drop sustain? It depends on oil prices staying low, domestic demand picking up slowly, and global demand not collapsing. If India continues shifting towards self-reliance and export-oriented manufacturing, it could be sustainable. What about the impact on the rupee-dollar exchange rate? With less demand for dollars to pay for imports, the rupee gains strength. This can stabilize or appreciate the rupee good for foreign investors and travelers. But the Reserve Bank may still intervene to maintain export competitiveness. And its impact on inflation? Lower import bills mean cheaper fuel, cheaper logistics, and lower prices for goods. This can help the RBI pause or reduce interest rates, making loans cheaper. What does it mean for you? Cheaper gadgets if import duties and costs fall. Lower fuel prices could reduce transport and grocery costs. Less pressure on EMI rates if inflation cools. More job creation in export sectors like IT, pharma, and auto. Tag a friend who's worried about inflation or the economy. Hit that subscribe button for more finance news made simple. India's trade deficit drop isn't just a stat, it's a sign of shifting economic tide. Replay this to understand how it could affect your money, EMIs, and even your next foreign trip.